Good day everyone, my name is Lerato Makoba and today I would like to demonstrate our agricultural equipment rental database project for CMPG311. So this database helps a farming equipment company to manage their rentals, technicians, maintenance and also their company and their customers. So what I'm about to do right now, I'll just run through the entire SQL script and explain what each section really does in simple terms. So whenever you're creating a database, the first thing you need to consider is to drop all existing tables, which is called as a whole, it's called a cleanup. So you don't want to create a table on top of another. So the first thing you need to do is to drop all existing ones. So let's just drop them. So as you can see right here on our script output, all of our desired tables that we wanted to drop are actually being dropped. So moving forward, without wasting any time, the foundation of the whole database, which what is our creation, is the creation of our tables or our desired tables. So basically this company basically needs a table, a warehouse table, a equipment table, a customer table, a technician table, a certification table, and also equipment table, and many more. So what I need you to take into account it is that this database consists of bridge entities, which are entities that depend on other entities to exist. So order actually matters. You cannot create a bridge entity without an independent entity first. So let's just run this as a whole first and create all of our desired tables. So as you can see right down there on our script output, the creation of our tables, we've actually managed to create all of our tables without any other problem. So moving forward on our indexes, so one can ask, what do indexes really do? So indexes basically help the database to find data fast. As you can see, we've created an index on equipment status, an index on rental dates, a certification expiry, hours counted. They basically just help us to make our reports run more faster. So let's just create all of our indexes first. As you can see on our script output, all of them have been successfully created, and now we can just move on our views now. So before we also create our views, we need to actually do the same thing we did whenever we're starting our project, which is what, dropping any existing views first, so in order to avoid redundancy and errors. So let's just drop them first. As you can see on our script, we've managed to drop all the views that might exist in our database. So one can ask, what do views actually really do? So basically views are tables that show exactly what users need to see without exposing the complex underlying structure. So what the user actually wants to see, we just create a query such as a view to do that. So as you can see, we've created a v-rental view, which basically combines the rental, customer, a technician data into one simple report instead of like writing a whole long join query every time. Now a customer can just select from the view. As you can see, we've created like 4 of the views that might be possible, like e.g. we also have an equipment inventory view, technician certification status, and also a weekly rental schedule. So let's just run all of our views as a whole without wasting too much time. So as you can see right down there on our script output, we've managed to create all of our views. And now let's just go on and just load our data, because we cannot run on a database that actually doesn't have a data. So we're loading all of our tables with our desired data or possible data that customer might have. So as you can see right down there on our script output, we've managed to load our data in our database, and basically our database currently has information to run with, and I'll just let my colleague continue with desired manipulation of queries.
Greetings, I will be running queries based on the information required by the company. Each of those queries solve the real business questions. I'll start with limitations of row and columns, followed by sorting, like and or, variables and characters, functions, round and trunk, data function, aggregations, grouped by and having, joins, and end with subqueries. Here is the table limitation from equipment. It's limited the table to 5 rows. Order by ID, equipment ID. Then sorting, it sorted the table by hour counts, starting with the highest and the status ascending. Here are the results with the tractor number 1 with 500 hour counts, and then followed by this one, Then we selecting ID name, first name, last name, phone, and email from customer, where last name start with N and first name is Thabo, and phone is not null, email is a South African email, like South African email. Here are the results. It shows first name Thabo, and then shows Lindiwe with the last name started with N, and then it shows a phone number which is not null, and then an email address which is a South African email. Then we go to variable and character functions. Then here are the results. It's uppercase all the first names and the last names. On emails, it's write the first character into uppercase for first name and for last name, and then it's lower all cases from emails. Then phone number length is equal to 10. We move to round or trunk. It handle financial precision. Here are the output. It's rounded off, but our output have no decimals, so it was just like this. We move to data functions. We don't have any equipment that any rental that has been confirmed yet. We move to aggregate function. Aggregate function like count and sum provider. Here are the output: 3 rentals, unique, 5, then the total revenue, average, lowest and highest. We go to categories, group by having. Here are grouped, joins all the tables, join multiple table, combine. Here are tables joined. Then subquery, we don't have any subquery, we don't have any machine that has not been rendered. We update now, update and delete, we update rental, rental. Here it is, it's updated from confirmed to completed. Then we delete it. We delete it. It's not deleted because it's not have been cancelled for 90 days. Then here our updates and deletes completed successfully.